Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Lady V. Now today she's talking about charity, and she's saying that there's a lot of people sending her receipts, because when they go somewhere and they donate their money and they got hurt, they start sending her receipts, but she will not be the one to reveal anything because they should know better, because charity begins in the home. The first place that charity begins is in the home, and she's extending that to the public. So watch the video and make your own assumption, your own opinion, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and also comment. Thank you.
Call your name all the time. If you did rude, then call your name all the time. When you are pitney, if you walk about, then call your name all the time. If you're craven, then call your name all the time. If you're lazy, then call your name all the time. If you lie, then call your name all the time. If you're quiet, then call your name all the time. Your name must get called enough. If you're not pitney, then call no mommy. Do they not call you by the name of you? Me don't know if you used to walk about Becky, but me just say your name must get called all the time when you are pitney your mother off to call your name. So you don't need nobody call your name now. So now, when you run go to places, and when you go, and when you get hurt, me no want to send no information here to me, because me no snitch. The whole of you know when me see girl up there some place go put out no money and then you not send no information, me not go help you highlight that story, because nobody ain't sending out. When you have family down in Jamaica, where I suffer, help them first. Dance a yard before you dance abroad. You want something wait say? Somebody help me. Charity begins where? Charity begins at home. You dare not. Boy, you're not with charity. And you're not help. You start here, yeah. Go and sit down. It's like you are telling me my faults, but you can't address yours. Until you start with you, don't start with me. Don't take no plank out of me eye. Don't take no mat out of me eye till you take out the sore and sit them out of you. That's what me I said today. Who no like it, lie down side of it. Me not look no friend. Come on this by myself, and me go come off by myself, and me no want no friends. Yeah. You, the supporters, are enabling the scamming mindset. Why young, strong back, hard back people for sit down and collect free money and a walk? We make young, strong back people who can walk with two eye we can't see. No fi walk. We make a whiffy give them what they have. Anybody did give you what you have? You know how much I want to slide in the snow? You know how much I want to get frostbite on the finger, then yam up on the ears, then yam up. You know how much I want to nearly bounce off on the nose in the cold weather? You know how much I want to take push round and piss pan in a foreign? And just true, you have low self-esteem, you don't want people to sue you. You know I run up in the things I want to tell suffer. Some of you send money go give charity and till can't pay on the bills of foreign. You depend subsidy. You till I get food stamp and government here and benefit. You till I take a little here and benefit. So you send that place. Go on yard. Go on up na yard. Come go up. Come go up. Now, me know say, you see who me knock first. The people them who own the platform. I have a reason for knocking them first. I mean not take that back. Because I not answer nobody. I don't say what I say. Any platform that come out here and collect on money and then I come out here and show you me collect $500, me spend 10 pound this, 10 pound that, 10 pound this, 50 pound that, and 70 pound that. No send no more money go give them. Them a scam on indirectly. Any platform where them come and say me want help with this, then I put a figure and then I show the figure where them collect and the change you left, them a scam on. You don't know on yourself. Yes, me I talk to you. Me not own Cash App. Hello, the Cash App store over here a joke. Me not own Cash App. Me not own Zelle. Me not take things from people. Me no long out my hand. Me not tell me supporters thanks. So nobody can say. Then do nothing for Lady V. Anytime you see me show out a picture will look like me I do something for somebody, I out of my pocket me do it. Anytime you see me put out not a social media will look like I help nobody, value in pocket attack. Me no collect from Bam Bam and Julia and Angela and Jody. A God me serve big foot of people when I know God. Too much scammers out here. Too much I want to get rich quick, lazy ass people out here. Too much people who feel like social media viewers are dunce. They have it so on a dunce, you know. They have it so on a idiot. They have it so on have low self-esteem. And now look validation and acceptance. So true they know say you don't have no sense of self-awareness and self-worth. They know that them know, me want to speak patois. Them know say you are look them fi big you up. Woman send information, give me a say she buy whole car. Woman send money, I say she buy taxi, her vehicle for man for make taxi and man block her when she a query. Send all the receipts, all the information, and me no want knock on. Cause none of my business, me didn't tell them if I donate nothing to no. Lord, you can't type what you want express. I want brew over here so this hour. Marlily, you see one name where says Zevin Nafi Naturals. You see Zevin Nafi Natural. It is right above your comment. Hit that name and inbox the person. You see there's something where you ask me. So you want to support the product, but you didn't hear everything. A fair product. She know more about it than any human being else. Hit that name Marlily and connect with her in her inbox and you can talk to her afterwards. Yeah? Alright, but that's Nafi. So I am saying this. A lot of these platforms are enabling scammers. They are teaching people not to work. They are teaching people not to learn how to fish. Because they give you a fish every day. When you come and you give me a fish today, tomorrow 3 o'clock me come and you give me one next fish. The next day 3:15 me come. The next day 1 o'clock me come and you give me a fish. Will I ever learn to fish knowing so me can get my fish up by your yard? Direct, when you give me a fish every day, why do I need to go down a beach, go raw up myself and scale up myself when me know so you go give me a fish? Excuse me? Have to realize some people can't get job. When you can't get job, you create your own job. A workless people walk up and down and talk, so then can't get no form of employment. You're not going to get the job where you always want. You could be qualified for X job, but you may get a lesser job. A job is a job. Once is an honest day's work for honest day's pay. How much of these charity you see in Jamaica with any form of transparency? How much are these charity?